I was able to skip every single room in Mount Horu. Okay, well, Tara, I'll try to keep that in mind next time. Maybe I can practice it or something. Unlike all cells, you do get to do the full escape here, which is pretty fun. Pro tip, you can charge flame those barricades rather than stomping them. This has been a good escape so far. Now we're going to do a little jump to make Kuro not spawn. And then there we go. Oops. There we go. So the timer for this game doesn't actually end until I lose control of Naru. I definitely went out of my way to get some ability cells that I'm used to doing for all cells, even though I didn't need to, but that's fine. Sub 45. Hey Pixel. What's up, buddy? How are you? Hey, come here. Come lay down. Come lay down. Come lay down, buddy. What's up? I just took 5 screenshots, apparently. Hey, Pixel, do you want to finish the game? No, you just want to lay around. Okay, let's just undo that. Thank you. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Oh, you're purring. Hi. Okay, wait. We're gonna do pixel percent. We'll see if he'll let me. From now on, all you have to do to beat the game is just hold right. So bear with me. I'm gonna try a daring social experiment. Here's my cat. He wants to lick me. All right, buddy. Ready? All right, you can do this. You can do it. Ready? Go. Okay. Hey, Pixel, come on. You can do it. Can I have your paw? All right, I'll use your back paw. Pixel, I'm trying to beat the game. Now he's biting me. Shit. Pixel, hey. Want to hit this? Press right. Press right. Pixel, press right. You're so close. Go. Go. You're so close, Pixel. You can do it. I believe in you. All right, buddy, come here. God, you're not happy with me. You can do it. Just press the thing. Press the thing. Pixel. Oh, we moved. All right, I'm just cheating. I'm just pressing it on his. Come on, buddy. God, this is never gonna work. This is never gonna work. Pixel, look. You're playing Ori. You're gonna win. Yes. You did it. Good job, buddy. Hi. Okay, that was fun. Pixel confirmed better than Ike, exactly. That was fun.